You were 35, 39.
36, 39.
36, 39. What is that? Magnolia Boulevard.
Yeah.
Date's June 16th, excuse me, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out here along the side of the, or in the kind of the planting strip between the house and the sidewalk, or the sidewalk and the street, excuse me. We're about 190 some feet down this line. We're going to pull back from this point and get a look at the sewer line. There's a line shared by 36, 39, and 36, 35.
Yeah.
Magnolia Boulevard. So we've zeroed out our footage. You see that clay stub there, and we're coming back into concrete pipe now. This is 6-inch diameter concrete. Been in the ground probably 70, 80 years now. Starting to show its age. There's a seam about every 2 feet in the pipe. See seams here. Here's a seam there. Here's a seam there. The seams are the weak spots. That's where you're shifting. That's where you get your roots coming in. That's where all of the projects kind of started. Usually with an issue with those. So bottom of the pipe's getting aggregate and rough as the years go by. I mean, it's just sewage and water and hair products and soap and all that just wearing away the bottom of that concrete as it goes by. 6-inch diameter concrete's a little thicker than the stuff that's like on your property. It was 4-inch. See a slight amount of shifting there when you see something like that and you're jetting. Kind of slow down on the jetting because you don't want to beat up this section and cause this to separate anymore or draw dirt or ruin that any better. So you got a little bit of root there, a small amount of separation. Not the end of the world. Section of PVC here. So somebody has dug up and repaired a section. Looks like a little 4 or 5 foot section, maybe a failure or something going on there at some point. But been replaced with plastic.
How far down is that?
We're coming back from the middle of the road, so we're 60 feet back from the middle of the road. Okay. It's probably 130 feet down from where we're standing.
Okay, so it must be down there, down past the end of the garage.
Yeah. Yeah, we're past the end of the garage still. Yep, so pretty good sized root coming through here. And he was saying there's a section here of pipe that was missing. That was making him a little nervous while he was jetting. I'm looking for it now. It's just a rough stretch there. That concrete's probably starting to come apart a little bit. But he was saying he was looking at those all the way down the line. I mean, from the start to finish. So there's probably some that just in that time allotted period he can't get it all the way to. Some of these lines you could spend 10 out of 15 hours getting them totally clean. I mean, just to run it, at some point the bills get a little crazy for. And then little roots kind of, these are a lot of the ones he was clean. This is where he's got them real clean through there. You can see where they were a lot bigger. Come back into a plastic section here. I'm guessing this is where the neighbor ties in their sewer. And then on your left there is more than likely going to be your funky little drain there that you dump your pond into. So, I mean, we've got a... I'm going to end the video there. Here's a clean out we're taking this footage from.